After checking that all the cable connectors on the controller are in good order, we turn on the power and check the brakes. Check the brake light. As you can see in the video right now, it's dimly lit. When you squeeze the brake light turns bright, just like in the video. If the brake light stays brightly lit all the time, you'll need to adjust the screw on the brake lever. You may have to adjust both the left and right levers, since we can't tell right away which brake is faulty. Just adjust one first, then check the brake light again. First, loosen the screw under the brake lever, then back the nut outward a little. Keep adjusting until the brake light returns to normal, then tighten the screw under the brake lever again.